here's a few of their models. Again, Newmar. You've got the 3539, the 3543, and the 3549. This one happens to be the 3547. Now, this is not a tag axle, so it's a little bit smaller, meaning it doesn't have the two wheels in the back or the two axles. Okay. And this one is going to be a little bit less. This one's coming in here at the show for 584, 205. And the stairs are just like the other one. These retract in when you close the door, but the second you open the door, they come out. So you don't have to worry about that. And then when you're driving, you see where they're all coming down. There's a retractable cover that covers the stairwell. So if you're the passenger, you know, like I said, your feet are not dangling if you're the passenger. Now this one is built on a Freightliner chassis, okay, not the Spartan chassis. But overall, the cockpit looks just about the same, right? When they get these chassis, it's literally just a chassis, and they build it from ground up, okay? Cabinetry wraps all the way around. Now this is a much lighter look than the other two we were in, more of a cream color, right? And not as big, right? It's a little bit shorter. You still have all the bells and whistles though. Tiled floor, all leather chairs and upholstery.
Oh, this is so
Isn't it comfortable? Now you know why I didn't want to get up.
Yeah, I don't want to move either. Wow.
Right?
This is amazing.
And you do have your cabinets above, all LED lighting. Right across from there is your dinette. Oh God, these, I mean, they're just silly soft.
Right.
The chair, that storage underneath there that just pulls out. And so there's your dinette. Your TV's on a televator, so if you want to see out the window, you just put that down. Just like the London Aire, there's touch panels everywhere for controlling lights and things. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there. They're just all over the coach, okay? You look up, the detailing on the ceiling. It's actually a padded ceiling, but I love all of the fluting. I believe that's partially where the AC comes out and heat. Probably actually the heating's in the floor, okay? I believe. Nice big mirror. Hello, everybody. As you get into your kitchen, you get a nice round sink. Cool faucet, pulls out. It comes with a fake cake, which looks delicious. A little strawberry shortcake maybe, I don't know. All right, some cabinets here. Now even though this is a lower price point, the finishes are not. This looks exactly the same, all dovetail drawers, real wood cabinet, induction cooktop. You've got all residential appliances, a Samsung microwave. You saw the induction cooktop. There's a dishwasher down there. Again, drawers and pullouts everywhere. Huge pantry. Okay, again, you push.
I almost did the same thing.
Full extension. Okay. And then over here on this side, this is one of the master control panels. Okay. Oh, and the refrigerator. Forgot the refrigerator. Nice Samsung. There you go. Residential. This looks to be probably a half bath. Ooh, look at the decor in there, Lisa.
Nice.
All right, this is more of a gray. Of course, the lights are all off, so let me turn some lights on for you. Ceiling light.
Yeah, I think it's going to be cream color when you get the lights on.
Yeah, I guess it is the same color. It just looked like it was darker. Okay, at my height of 6'4", this is pretty good. My feet are pretty close to the door, but they're not going to be in the door. So again, definitely okay for the tall and fluffy. All right, these are also push flush. Right, you just push these buttons. Okay, one or two. There's cabinetry underneath. Okay, this is not a cabinet. This is an access panel for components that are behind there. But you do have the lighted mirror, and your escape hatch is right here. Right. All right. Let's move further back. Get into the bedroom. This looks to be a residential queen. God, I love the padding.
Isn't that nice?
I mean, these are all hand stitched, guys.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm pretty sure they even make all their the chairs, like the sofas and stuff. I think they're all handmade, which is why it had that big opening that we were looking at. I don't think that's like, you know, from a manufacturer. I mean, they make it.
Yeah. Right.
Newmar does. Okay. Love the sconces. Isn't that cool?
I love the navy blue too.
Really nice time. When you turn around, look at this. Should I have a stair step kind of look?
Oh yeah, it does.
Right, so this is a shelf, and again, this is all solid surface or granite, right? Pull-out drawer there, which is really deep, and then a shallower one there. I didn't open that all the way up, but it's pretty deep.
Oh, it is pretty
Yeah.
big, yeah.
Then above it a TV with a couple of cabinets left and right. Okay, which there's some adjustability in there too. Again, you have your cabinets next to the bed. I still haven't found power. I know there's got to be power, guys. You're not getting a coach at this level and not have power by the bed.
I would agree.
I just can't locate. Oh, you know what? It's inside here.
Ah.
It's hard to see. That's why we couldn't find it. See, there's a little slot right there, and the power is behind it. So your cable would come through there to keep everything nice and neat. And you see how much time we have left here? I wonder if somebody has to come in here once an hour and flip that thing upside down. All right, so when we step up into the bathroom, you have your washer dryer over here by the toilet. All right, and then the toilet. Yeah, there's no problems here either, y'all. I don't think we're going to find any of these that have problems for the tall people.
I don't think
we're going to
so.
look. All right, but this one is perfect for the tall and fluffy. Again, it is a push button flush, not a foot flush. I don't think, again, you're going to be foot flushing in any of these.
No, I don't
Cabinet
think so.
here, right? Lots of cabinetry. If we spin around, you have an under counter mount sink. It's actually sort of all one molded piece. Cool drain system, real deep, real tile,
Yes.
lighted mirrors. That's, again, your medicine cabinet, which is really deep as well.
That is really deep.
It is.
Yeah.
Putting a lot of drugs in there.
Yeah.
And then you have this, which is, there's a big safe in there.
Sure is. Look at that.
I know, right? It's hanging bar, so you can hang stuff in there. Also, your other two chairs for your
I like the way
dinette.
that door opens.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yep.
Very nice.
And then this interesting shaped shower. Okay, that's what's nice. I mean, I'm not going to call this custom, but it's, you know, they're hand making the shower. You actually step down into the shower.
Oh, you do.
Yep.
It is
So
recessed,
it's
yeah.
recessed down in there. It's a little tight. It's not bad. I mean, I have to move the rain head a little bit, but you can see I'm sort of touching the rain head. But I would just have to move around a little bit. All right, this also has your rain shower. It's got a hand wash. I'm pretty sure that's a steamer down there. I don't know. I think it's a body wash. Just that little blue thing down there.
Yeah.
Anyway, and they also have your things up top there if you want to put shampoos and body washes and stuff up there.
I like the tiles too.
Yeah, right? They're textured. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Really. I know the camera doesn't show that, but...
Very nice.
All right. So this was a new Aire.